Hi and welcome. This is the first video of a series where I challenge myself to design, build and release an application within 3 days. That's honestly not much time for creating an entire app, but I want to see how far I can come in that limited amount of time. To be able to use those days effectively, I've spent the last 2 days getting into some frameworks and technologies that I will be using. I have decided to build a productivity tool for the Mac that allows you to easily create timers with keyboard shortcuts, assign tags, and later in an analytics view, figure out how much time you've spent on what. So that's the rough idea. Let's get started with some first sketches and turn those ideas into reality. I like using pen and paper to quickly capture my thoughts. These first sketches don't need to be perfect or anything, it's just about capturing the ideas and turning them into a first rough concept. The next step is to open Sketch, create a new document and develop the concept further to get a feeling for how the final application will look like. So I've finished working on the sketch file. The final application will be a menu bar application, so it's not windowed and instead it will live up right here in the menu bar. The nice thing is the create a timer window where you can specify duration, a title, a tag, and when you then create a new timer will start right there in the menu bar. There's also an analytics view or an activity log where you can take a look at your previous sessions. You can filter by date or by tag and get an overview on what you've worked on. So yeah, that's the sketch file for this application. I might change some things while development, but it's a great starting point. Now it's time to take a little break. Alright, I just had a great little break and now it's finally time to start the coding. I will be using Swift as a programming language, SwiftUI for describing the user interface, and Core Data for persisting data, in this case storing the timer logs. Alright, let's create a new Xcode project for this app and start the coding. Here's the application running on my Mac. I've added the menu right here, but most of the items aren't functional at the moment. However, I already implemented the timer logic, so creating a quick timer works. When a timer is running, the UI prevents you from creating a new timer before the old one was stopped. That will be important for future time logging features. Alright, let's continue with coding the window for creating a new custom timer. Afterwards, I will add a nice third-party library to this project that will allow to open this window from everywhere with a custom-defined global shortcut. I think that will be a great productivity enhancement. I have spent the evening coding. There's now a new window for creating a custom timer. And this window behaves the way I wanted it to. It's a nice floating window. I've actually researched how to do this in advance because this is not a default window behavior. Right now you have to specify the duration of a timer in seconds, but I will change that. Additionally, the app now sends a notification when a timer ends. It's 10 PM now, so I'll stop here, read a few pages and go to sleep so I can continue early tomorrow morning. I think I've made great progress today. We have a basic application running, and tomorrow I will continue building even more advanced features of this app, including the log view. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.